Barbara Van Poole joins us, a real estate expert from the Dallas-Fort Worth area. An interesting story I found that said there are actually bidding wars going on for houses right now. Barbara, welcome to the program. Thank you for joining me.
Well, thank you, Ernie. It's great to be here this morning.
I would imagine that a lot of people wanting to sell their house would be happy to hear that there are bidding wars out there.
And actually, we are definitely seeing some bidding wars in Dallas-Fort Worth. We put 3 homes on the market last week, and all 3 of them on the first day had multiple offers. So what we're seeing is for homes that are expertly marketed and staged and they're priced well, we are getting more and more multiple offers and more bidding wars going on.
And the key is knowing, though, Barbara, how is it priced well?
Well, and I really think that that's having an expert on your side that actually does their homework and does the statistical analysis so that you are absolutely sure that you're getting the top dollar, but that it is well priced for that particular market.
Now, are all markets getting some good response like this? I mean, because we heard some horror stories from places like Las Vegas and Phoenix and in Miami. Are these markets making a comeback?
Well, Ernie, what we see is that real estate is very much a local market, and we definitely have national statistics, but it is market by market, neighborhood by neighborhood. And what we are seeing on the national level right now is that in May of this year, we actually saw an uptick nationally of 7.6% in the median home price. And it went up to 182.6, and that's a good gain.
Yeah. How about negative equity issues? I know a lot of people are in over their heads right now. Their home is just worth less than they actually owe on it.
Well, and that is definitely true in some markets and in some people's situations, and that's definitely a problem for them. But what we are seeing is that right now, with home prices starting to move back up, hopefully this will help some of those people.
So we can feel confident if we're jumping in now in many places that the market is already bottomed out, if you will, and now we're heading in the right direction.
I definitely do think that we've seen it bottom out. And with interest rates at the historic lows that they are right now, we are seeing for 15-year fixed-rate mortgages the high 2s, and we are seeing for 30-year fixed-rate mortgages, of course this is for qualified buyers, but we're seeing high 3s. And so what we are seeing is that with these really, really low interest rates, that people are able to afford more home right now. And if we see the interest rate go up even 1%, the buyer loses 10% of their buying power. So that means that they can afford less home, and that for the sellers, that fewer buyers can afford their home. So what we are seeing right now is that we are really at a fabulous time for people who either want to buy, sell, or invest in real estate. And I really believe that we're going to look back on this time in 5 to 10 years, and we're going to kick ourselves if we did not take advantage of this real estate market right now.
Barbara Van Poole, real estate expert in Dallas-Fort Worth. Barbara, thank you so much for coming on. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Ernie.